Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create bundles on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and go directly to the Shopify website, and you can log in into your account or you can create an account on Shopify. Now as you can see, I've already have a Shopify right here and I have a store right here. So once you have done that, if you have a store already, just head on to the product section. As you can see, I already have a products right here. Now first, I want to show you how you can add a product to Shopify. Now I want to use Deezers because this is very easy to use, and you can use anything like CJ dropping or Zen drop for you to add your Shopify products. But personally, I use Deezers right here. So what you want to do is go to the apps and just select Deezers application right here, and it will automatically go to Deezers. If you haven't installed the Deezers, just install the app. Just go directly to the App Store, to the Shopify App Store, and it will automatically search Deezers and just authorize Shopify and Deezers, so you are good to go. Now, once you have done that, it will go directly to this Deezers menu, and once you have done that, you just click on Find Suppliers right here, and now you have a bunch of products to choose from. So let's choose a product that I want to add to my Shopify store, like for example this one. So just click on this orange section right here that says Add to Import List, and just click on that, and as you can see, it is now imported. And if you want to add some more, you can just click on this import product list right here. Now once you have done that, just go to import list, and now just select the product that you want to push to Shopify. So this means if you push a certain product to Shopify, it will automatically redirect your product to Shopify. So for example right here, I'm just gonna check this one and click on Push to Shopify. And you can read on this real quick if you want, and click on Push to Shopify. So one product's being pushed, so just wait for your two products to be pushed. So one is failed to be pushed, so let's check another list right here. For example, I'm gonna push this product. So as you can see, just import this product and go to the import list and check the product that you want to import to Shopify and click on Push to Shopify. So as you can see, it's still processing, and there you have it. So I've recently imported this headphones. Two of these headphones, this white headphones and this black earphones right here. So once I go to my products list, I'm just gonna reload this real quick, and there you have it. I've already imported these two earphones. So now to create a bundle, all you have to do is go back to Shopify, and on the search bar, on the search application bar, just search on Bundler. So Bundler is a type of application that you can actually create a bundle with Shopify. So this is free to use, and you can also upgrade your plan in Bundler. So once you search on Bundler, just click on this Bundler Product Bundles application, and once you have done that, just click on Add Application right here. And next is to make sure to install the app and integrate your shop and the Bundler application. So click on Install App right here, and once you have done that, it will redirect to the Bundler application right here. So once you are here, just click on Create Bundle right here, and you have a lot of bundle presets. If you are on the free plan, you can have a classic bundle and a volume discount. So a classic bundle gives customers a discount when they purchase specific products. So a volume discount gives site-wide or product-specific tiered discounts when customers buy in bulk. So if you want to upgrade your plan, you can have this mix and match bundle and a sectioned mix and match bundle. So for now, let's just have a classic bundle. So I'm going to click on classic bundle, and there you have it. You can now name your bundle. So I'm just going to select, click on bundle 1, and the title is get a discount for as low as let's say $20. This is just for example. And now a description, you can just say buy these products together and get a discount. Give a huge discount. Let's just keep it like get a huge discount. And a total price summary, for example, let's just say from $75 to $60. So I think that's a good deal. You have a discount of $15. So the call to action, you can actually say add to cart, or you can just say buy now. So call to action means this is a text displayed in your bundle, so they can add to cart or they can buy the bundle. So I'm just gonna select buy bundle right here. And now text under button, you can just leave it as it is, like discounts will be applied at checkout. So the priority sequence, so this means the bundler applies discount based on the priority sequence. So the bundle with the most products should have the highest priority. So I'm just going to leave 10 as it is right here, or you can go down whatever you want. So let's just add 10 right here. So the bundle status should be active, but for now I'm just going to pause the bundle because my Shopify store is not yet published. I don't want any problems in the future. So if my Shopify is now active, I can just go to my settings and click on active right here again. So now show bundle widget for this bundle. Make sure to make sure that it is show. So this discount can only be claimed by customers tagged with the following tag. So make sure to also enable the app embed script right here. So if you want customers that has tagged to only purchase this certain product with customer tags only, you can just do that, but for now I'll just not do that. So you can check the schedule bundle right here. Now if you turn this on, you want to have the bundle active only for a specific period of time. So if you want this bundle to have a specific period of time, you can actually select this one. And now the colors, you can actually change the colors wherever you want. Now to configure colors for the bundle widgets, just go to this link right here. For example, for this, I'm just gonna go directly to here, and right here you can actually change the color of the widgets or the design of your bundle right here. So for now, I'm already satisfied on the colors. And now once you have done that, next is to go to the product level. Next is go to discount. So set the percentage discount which will be applied to each product in the bundle. So you can get 0% off if you want to create a bundle with a discount. So right here, just select any discount that you want to do. So I'm just going to select a 15% discount, or you can actually set a fixed amount discount right here. And now if you want to give free shipping to your bundle, you can actually check this one right here. And you can do this only if you have a premium upgraded plan on Bundler. So for that, next is the bundle product level. So if you want, you can switch the bundle to variant level. So this means that variants will be displayed as standalone products in this bundle. So basic plan allows you to create bundles on product level. And if you want to do that, this functionality requires an upgrade also. So if you want to have a function like this, make sure to upgrade your plan in Bundler. So next is now to select a product. So if you want to select your products, just click on select products right here, and now just click on the products that you want to have to add to your bundle. So for example, I'm just going to select the 6 products right here, and I'm going to click on add. And now you can select the quantity of how many you want to sell. And now you can also automatically add new product variants to your price right here. And next, under the bundle shortcode, you can actually do this, but if you want to do this, this functionality requires an upgrade. So once you have done that, you can actually save the bundle right here. As you can see, I've already created a bundle, so perform a quick check to see if your bundle works in your shop. So you can do this by actually going to the product page, or yes, I can see the bundle widget. So just go to the product page right here, and page not found. Of course, after that, If your shop is already active, your bundle should actually be right here. And I think that's it. So that's it for this video, everyone, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!